Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to NUBIA Focus Pro 5G. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, and allow in first two pop-ups. You can tap on wherever you want to in all the other ones. Then hit send at the bottom left corner of an Android and receive right next to send at the bottom of NUBIA. Also on an Android, using all of those categories available at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. Then hit send next to selected at the bottom. Choose got it in here's some div pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, tap on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and hit Receive. If you want to scan the QR code though, use the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!